Most men think confidence is something you magically gain one day, like suddenly waking up fearless one day. Fearless in conversations, fearless around attractive people, fearless in public, fearless in life. But here's the harsh truth nobody tells men. Confidence is not built before difficult moments. It is built because of them. And that changes everything. Most men are waiting to feel confident before they act. They wait before approaching opportunities, speaking up, posting content, improving themselves, taking risks, or becoming visible. But confidence does not come first. Action comes first. And until a man understands this, he is stuck for years. So, in this video, I want to break down the brutal truth about confidence. Why most men secretly lack it. How social media destroyed real confidence. What actually creates presence. And how you can build genuine confidence instead of fake internet confidence. Because the truth is, most men do not lack potential. They are lacking proof that they can trust themselves. Let me say something uncomfortable. Most men look confident online, but they feel insecure alone. Because modern confidence is often performance. Expensive clothes, forced attitude, alpha fake behavior, trying to look dominant all the time. But deep inside, still anxious, still seeking validation, still afraid of rejection. That's not confidence, that's insecurity wearing expensive perfume. Real confidence is quieter. It does not need constant attention. A truly confident man does not spend his life trying to prove he's the one. And that's what many people misunderstand. Confidence is not loudness, it is self trust. Now, here's the harsh truth most men destroy their own confidence daily. Not because life is unfair, but because they constantly break promises to themselves. Think about it. You say, I'll wake up early, but you don't. I'll start improving myself. You delay it. I'll stop wasting time. You repeat the same habits again. And slowly your mind starts learning something dangerous. I cannot trust myself. That destroys confidence than failure ever will. Because confidence grows when your actions match your words. Every kept promise builds self respect. Every broken promise weakens it. This is why discipline and confidence are deeply connected. People think discipline is punishment. No, discipline is evidence that you can rely on yourself. That's why going to the gym changes people mentally, not only physically. Because every workout subconsciously tells the brain, I am becoming something stronger. And confidence is built through repetition of small wins, not motivational quotes. Now let's talk about another harsh truth nobody tells men. Confidence requires embarrassment. Yes, you heard that right. Awkward moments, failure, rejection, looking stupid temporarily. You cannot become socially confident without uncomfortable social experiences. You cannot become mentally strong without pressure. You cannot become courageous while always staying safe. But modern culture teaches people to avoid discomfort at all cost. And that creates weak confidence, fragile confidence. The kind that disappears the moment life becomes difficult. Let me tell you something powerful. Every confident person you admire today was once inexperienced and uncomfortable. The confident speaker had a shaky voice. The confident businessman once doubted himself. The confident creator once posted videos nobody watched. But they kept going anyway. And repetition slowly removed fear. That is the part social media hides. People only see the final version, not the years of awkward growth behind it. Now, here's another brutal truth. Most men today tie their confidence to external validation entirely. Attention from people, likes, replies, approval, compliments, relationships. And this creates emotional dependence, which means their confidence rises and falls based on how others treat them. This is dangerous because the world is unpredictable. Sometimes people will ignore you, reject you, misunderstand you. And if your confidence depends on their reaction, you will emotionally collapse constantly. Real confidence comes from emotional stability, not public approval. The strongest confidence is built privately, when nobody's clapping for you, when nobody's watching. But you still continue improving. That is powerful. Now let's talk about something men rarely admit. A lot of insecurity comes from comparison. Social media has made average people feel invisible. A man opens Instagram and suddenly compares himself to richer men, taller men, more attractive men, more successful men, more confident men, all within 5 minutes. And slowly he begins feeling less than. But what most people don't realize is this. Comparison kills identity. Because the more you obsess over becoming someone else, the less you develop yourself. Because confidence cannot grow in imitation, my friend. It grows in authenticity. And that's why some people with average looks still dominate rooms. Because energy matters more than perfection. Presence matters more than appearance. And self-belief changes how people perceive you. Another harsh truth, confidence is built through competence, not pretending. Many people want confidence without skill, but when you genuinely improve yourself, confidence naturally follows. Learn communication, learn fitness, learn emotional control, money management, discipline, social skills. Competence creates calmness because preparation removes fear. A man who has worked on himself walks differently, speaks differently, carries himself differently. Not because he is trying to impress people, but because he knows he can handle life better now. And honestly, some men stay insecure because they avoid responsibility. Responsibility forces growth. When you start taking ownership of your health, finances, mindset, habits, communication, future, you slowly stop seeing yourself helpless. And confidence grows when helplessness disappears. That's why purpose changes people, direction changes people. A man with purpose naturally becomes harder to shake emotionally. Now, here's the most important thing I want you to remember from this video. Confidence is not about never feeling fear, never feeling nervous, or always feeling powerful. Confidence is moving forward despite fear. That's real courage. Because even confident people feels nervous sometimes. The difference is they do not allow their fear to control their emotions anymore. They don't let fear control their decisions anymore. And maybe the harshest truth of all, nobody is coming to install confidence in your life. Not motivational videos, not relationships, not success, not money. You build it daily through actions, through discipline, through uncomfortable growth, through becoming someone your own mind respects. Because at the end of the day, confidence is earned internally before it is seen externally. So if you currently feel insecure, awkward, or behind in life, understand this carefully. You're not doomed, you're simply unpracticed. And practice changes people. One difficult conversation at a time. One disciplined day at a time. One uncomfortable action at a time. That's how men transform. Not overnight, but gradually. The harsh truth about confidence is nobody hands it over to you. You build it every time you do something your weaker self wanted to avoid. And one day you realize that you are no longer the person who was afraid to begin. If you haven't subscribed yet, it's a goodbye for now. See you in another video, getting the best version out of yourself. Adios.